again. You're watching 2-Minute Law with me, Maria Spear-Ollis of Spear IP. So we've talked about the trademark registration process if you've started using your trademark. What we haven't talked about is the registration process if you have not yet started using your trademark in commerce. In other words, you haven't offered a product or service under that brand name. The process is a little bit different. So it starts off the same. Of course, you file your application. Then what happens is, and this is where it's a little bit different, the trademark office issues what's called a notice of allowance. And that is a 6-month window where you can either file your proof of use if you've started using your trademark, and that's, a screenshot of your website, a photo of your product with the trademark on it, things like that, showing that you're using your trademark in connection with your product or service. Or during that 6-month period, you can also file a 6-month extension. You can file extensions for up to 3 years. The catch is it costs money each time you do that. It costs money to file that proof of use, that statement of use, and it costs a filing fee to file an extension. So depending on your priorities, on your desire to register the mark, those are some things to keep in mind. Then usually once you submit your proof of use, unless there's some little issue, the mark proceeds to registration. So I hope that helps. See you next time.